And Prime Minister Modi, in fact, also brought up the issue of the Kartarpur Sahib Gurudwara yesterday, where Guru Nanak Dev spent the last years of his life and is also a place sacred to the Sikhs. Prime Minister Modi blamed the Congress party for the country's partition, saying that they did it for the sake of power and for power they gave away Kartarpur Sahib to Pakistan. In fact, Prime Minister Modi further said that when the Bangladesh war took place, more than 90,000 Pakistani soldiers had surrendered. More than 90,000 soldiers were in India's custody, and had Prime Minister Modi been there at that time, he would have taken Kartarpur Sahib and then released those soldiers to Pakistan. Take a look at what he said.
साथियों, यही कांग्रेस है जिसने सत्ता के लिए देश का बंटवारा किया, और बंटवारा भी ऐसा किया कि 70 साल तक हमें करतारपुर साहिब को दूरबीन से दर्शन करने पड़ते थे, और हर कोई इंसान अपमान महसूस करता है। मैं कांग्रेस वालों को कहता हूं कि जब बांग्लादेश की लड़ाई हुई, 90,000 से ज्यादा पाकिस्तान के सैनिक सरेंडर कर चुके थे। 90,000 से ज्यादा पाकिस्तानी सैनिक हमारे कब्जे में थे। हुकुम का पत्ता हमारे हाथ में था। अगर उस समय मोदी होता तो मैं इनसे करतारपुर साहब लेकर के रहता, तब जाकर के उनको जवानों को छोड़ता।
And Aman Sharma continues to stay with us. Aman, another attack coming in from the Prime Minister against the Congress party. Prime Minister says that the Congress party intentionally gave away the Kartarpur Sahib for power.
Well, absolutely, Anjali, this is a very, very major statement, because the Kartarpur Sahib is one of the holiest shrines of the Sikh community. It is right now inside Pakistan, and in the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, saying that during the 1971 war with Pakistan, when Bangladesh was liberated from Pakistan and a separate country had come into being, Pakistani forces had surrendered to India. He's saying that I would have let these forces go back to Pakistan only if the Kartarpur Sahib was returned to India, that Gurudwara, that particular land which falls in the Pakistani territory, was returned to India. This is a major statement by the Prime Minister, because Kartarpur Sahib issue is also one, as the Prime Minister was mentioning, that for years and decades altogether, Sikhs in Punjab had to watch Kartarpur Sahib through binoculars across the border. It was under the Modi government that, for the first time, the Kartarpur Sahib corridor was built, and now Indians can actually visit Pakistan for a day trip to go to the Kartarpur Gurdwara and pay obeisance on that side of the border. But the Prime Minister now very clearly saying that if he had been in power in 1971, when India had defeated Pakistan, when Bangladesh was liberated, he would have not returned the Pakistani soldiers till Kartarpur Sahib was restored back to India. Another major pitch, I think, to the Sikh community in Punjab with the Prime Minister's campaign. And as I said, 3 rallies in 2 days. Prime Minister, in fact, is expected to come more to Punjab next week and may do a couple of more rallies, we are learning. So a big pitch by the BJP in the state of Punjab.
All right, Aman, thank you so much for that context. And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break, but there's more on the other side. Stay with us.